Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to hide your subscriber count on YouTube, okay? So head over to your YouTube account right there, and then this should be the landing page of your YouTube, right? Make sure you're logged in because we need to go to YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio right there, go to settings very quickly. So this should be a dummy YouTube account. This is a beginner YouTube account, so I don't think they have it here. But in default, they should have it on channel, okay? Click on advanced settings and right here scroll down a bit. You should see subscriber count right here under advertisement. If you cannot see it on my end also, as you can see on my end that I cannot see a box right there, that means I'm not eligible yet to have that displayed. Anyway, if you have it, simply just check it as I'm doing right now and click on save. Basically, you've just removed your subscriber count display on your YouTube account. So thank you so much for watching. That's how you do it. And please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.